To remove the drawer on your 2-drawer refrigerator, extend the drawer and release the clips on both sides of the drawer. Grab the drawer with both hands to lift out. Take the drawer to the sink for proper cleaning and sanitizing. To reinstall the drawer, be sure the drawer clips are free. Grab the drawer with both hands. Align with the drawer slides on the cabinet and push the drawer in to fully engage. Open and close several times to ensure drawers operate smoothly. Complete installation by engaging clips on both sides of the drawer.